Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Jeep's 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in these instructions, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components, and repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Step 3. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 4. Hold the part up to the frame to get an idea of your work area. With a marker, mark your left and right limits or trace the part. Within that zone, mark off how much frame you wish to remove, while still retaining a safe amount to weld with. Step 5. Depending on how you intend to cut, grind away any rust, debris, and undercoating to reveal bare metal. While following proper safety precautions, begin cutting and removing the section. Our part replaces the vehicle's hull and core of the nearby frame sections. If you do not wish to replace these, you will need to modify our part in order for it to fit. Step 6. Attempt to push the part into place to test the location of the bolt holes. Continue to grind away any rough edges and replace the part, followed by C-clamping it in. Step 8. While following proper safety precautions, begin welding the part to the frame completely and around all edges. Step 9. Coat the part with a primer to prevent rust from forming over time and begin reassembling your vehicle with the included skid plate bolts and washers. Reconnect your battery and you're done.